In this video, I want to talk to you guys about going from an orthographic projection into a 3D model. Now, you can, of course, just create the 3D model like we have in the past, but let's say you have an orthographic of your parts. You might as well utilize it to make your lives a little bit easier. So here I have a very simple 3D model. It's a 3D model of a wedge that I'm going to create. This is the orthographic, but I'm going to have a 3D model. Let's say you have a more complicated piece and it's taken you a while to draw the sketch of one of the views. Well, maybe in that situation, it's going to save you a lot of time to just utilize it to create a 3D model. So I'm going to show you how to do this. I would create a copy file. So let's say you have a file saved and you want to preserve it. You would just make a copy file and open that. And I can extrude any of the views. I think it makes sense to extrude, I'll actually use pressable here. I think it makes sense to extrude the front view because that's the most characteristic. And then I'll have it go up by the depth. And, without doing much more work, I've created my 3D object. This is a nice shortcut that you can use in order to create all your parts. Now, let's say you have, let me actually do this. Let's say you have your wedge here, and you also want a cylinder, and you have, let me just quickly sketch up an orthographic of a cylinder for you guys. Let's say, you have these things in different files. Well, now what do, right? How do I get these two parts together? This can be a little bit annoying. So, like you're going to have, right? Because you have made all your parts in separate files. So what do you do to combine everything? So let's say I extruded this in here up 1 inch, and I have this other 3D model. What do? Well, here's what you can do. You can select your 3D model. You can press Control-C to copy, and then Control-V, and you'll be able to paste it in a different document. The copy command won't work for you, but right-clicking and selecting copy will. But if you just use the copy command, that just creates copy in the local document. So select the 3D model once you create it, and you can press Control-C and then Control-V to paste it. So you can paste all your parts together into one thing.